Hey guys, Matt here again for Udesly.com. In this video, what we are going to do is just briefly go over the rules and how you can configure them to add conditional values to your blog. In this example, I'm going to show you how you can hide this search bar when you are away from the blog homepage. So first off, what you want to do is jump over to WordPress, go to the rule section and make sure you click on add a new rule. I'm just going to show you this example here I've already set up, but what you do is you add a new rule, give it a name and select the main blog page here and select is main blog page and then just publish that. And then what you want to do is go to the home page of the rules and copy the slug there. So just copy that there and keep it in your clipboard. What this does is tells whichever element has this rule applied to it to hide it if it is not in the main blog page, or in this case show it when it is the main blog page. So if we jump over to Webflow, select our element we want to hide if it's not on the main blog page. So I'm going to select this search div, which is all of this, and then I'm going to add the following attributes. So what we want to do is select our search div and add the following attributes of WP conditional, EL rule, and then we want to have Udesly slug, and then paste our slug into there. So what this will do when we convert it across is tell WordPress that this search div will be hidden if it is not on the main homepage of our blog. Now you can do this the same for your breadcrumbs. So if you want to hide this on your blog homepage, you could go ahead and add that onto there. This is just so you don't see this here, because it is a bit pointless when you are on the homepage of your blog to show breadcrumbs. So if we just add an attribute, the same rule there, and just add that onto there. So once you are done, make sure to export your code and go ahead and convert it with the Udesly Adapter. Now if we jump over to our converted site, we can see that we have our search box here and our breadcrumbs are hidden. And then if we go ahead and select on one of these categories here, you can see our breadcrumbs show, but our search does not. To do the breadcrumbs, it is basically the same as our search, but instead of saying is main blog, what we want to do is select is not main blog page. So this will do the opposite as we've just seen there. So that's just a brief rundown of how rules work for showing and hiding content. We could also do the same if we want our categories to be hidden as well if it is not on the main page. Really handy way of customizing the elements of your blog. We could also do rules where we want redirects depending if the user is logged in. So if I just do logged in and I select this down here to login status and then type the user is logged in and just publish that there. And if I go to the page I want to be redirected from, so in this case if I just go to register, as the user is logged in, I do not want that to be accessible. And I select down here in the redirects rule and I just select that and I type in the URL I want this user to be redirected to if they are logged in. And if I select that, update it, and then if I visit this page, you can see we are redirected to our homepage as we are currently logged in. And if I log out my site, go to the /login/register, I can access the register page. So really quite a handy way of adding custom rules to your site. Anyway, my name has been Matt. Hope you got all the best from this tutorial.